Dear students, in this lecture we will learn that how to fetch the distinct records from SQL Server database. To fetch the distinct records, we have to use the keyword distinct. Here is the syntax of distinct command. You can see we have put the keyword distinct right before the name of column. In this example, you can see that we have a table which has first name, last name and father name, 3 columns. In first name, you can see that word Joseph is available for 3 different rows, whereas the word Vladimir is available for one person or one row. If we will execute this query to fetch the distinct records, it will give the result as 2 rows, Joseph and Vladimir. You can see that instead of giving the 3 different records for Joseph, the result gave us the single line for all Josephs. Now let's move to see that how it will work in SQL Server. Select. Let's have a select command. Let's write a select command. Select static from employee information table. Employee information. Execute. This has multiple columns. Let's perform the select on a single column, employee last name. Employee last name. Okay, you can see that it has returned the 8 number of rows. Okay, 8 rows, and row number 5 and 6 contains a distinct value. Now let's place the keyword distinct, okay. Keep remember that our table has returned originally 8 records. After putting the distinct in same query, it returned the 7 rows. Okay, let's do it again. Without distinct, it returned 8 rows, where word Abraham is available for 2 different rows, whereas after putting distinct in same query, whereas after putting distinct keyword in same query, SQL Server returned us 8 number of rows, and the word Abraham is written for only 1 record. Hopefully this lecture will be very beneficial for you to learn that how to fetch the distinct records from the database.